In this video, I will show you how to edit your company information for your online store in Hostinger Website Builder. I'm now inside my Hostinger Website Builder, and to edit my store company information, just go to Store Manager, then click on Store Settings from this left side menu, then go to Company Information. Here you can fill in your company name, for example, Brand Store. And here you can upload your logo or your company logo. If you don't have a company logo, you can generate it using this AI tool. Now describe what you want in your logo. Select the style from this list, for example, abstract, minimalistic, modern, tech, or vintage. Then hit create. As you can see, you will use one credit. You can also create it yourself using this tool. Just type your text here, select your slogan, select the font, for example, Ben Star, something like be different, then hit download. As you can see, my logo is downloaded in a zip format. Click on it to unzip it, then head back to Store Manager, click on Upload Logo, then select your logo from your computer. Now that your store logo is uploaded and your company name is filled, go back to contact and address information, fill in your state, for example, Alabama, and hit save. As you can see, my company information is updated. Now this new information will appear on invoices, emails, and at the checkout. And this is how to edit your company information for your online store in Hostinger Website Builder.